We're at Miami Muffler, doing the muffler delete on the 2022 Durango RT. Give it a nice little roar. Stay tuned. Aceite, y cuando quema aceite rodan los catalíticos del nuevo. Do muffler delete. Alright guys, so just got the muffler delete done. Miami Mufflers. Taking on a little spin, little sound test. Try to keep the AC low. You know, it's hot as balls down here in South Florida. I'm gonna give these people a little distance. Huge difference, noticeable immediately. Woo! Beautiful. Woo. Well guys, let me know what you think. Any comments, things you want to see from the car. I'd love to make it a couple more videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks again. Peace.